can you revive a water-damaged phone that won't turn on? Imagine dropping your phone in water and feeling that sinking feeling. Don't worry, even if it won't turn on, there are steps you can take to try and bring it back to life. First, act quickly. The moment your phone gets wet, turn it off immediately. This stops any electrical shorts that water can cause inside the device. Next, remove any accessories like the SIM card and memory cards. These parts are sensitive and can be damaged if water gets into them. Then, gently dry the outside with a soft cloth. Avoid using heat like a hairdryer because high heat can push water further into the phone or damage delicate parts. After drying the exterior, the best method is to use desiccants such as rice or silica gel. Place your phone in a sealed container filled with these materials. They absorb moisture from inside the device. Leave it there for at least 24 to 48 hours. Patience is key here. Do not try to turn on or charge the phone during this drying period. Charging a wet phone can cause more damage, including corrosion of internal components. If after drying your phone still won't turn on, professional repair might be necessary. Technicians have special tools to open the device safely and clean or replace damaged parts. Sometimes, water damage can be severe, especially if the phone was submerged for a long time or in salt water, which is more corrosive. But with quick action and proper drying, there's a chance to recover your device. Remember, the longer water sits inside, the higher the risk of permanent damage. If you decide to seek professional help, they can diagnose issues like corrosion or broken circuits and fix them accordingly. Keep in mind that some water damage might be irreversible, but trying these steps gives your phone the best shot at recovery. Always be cautious and patient during this process.